Hopped in the bus. Now we're off to Mermaid Ponds. Gonna go see what all the hype is about. Got to Mermaid Ponds, parked the van, about to go find the trail somewhere in this jungle. Getting dressed in the jungle. You look like Tarzan right now. What do you think about that?
I think we're in the jungle.
Yeah, we are in the jungle. This is the jungle, baby. Hello, Josh. This is Mermaid Ponds. This is one of the ponds that the mermaids swim in. Do you see any mermaid yet?
No, but there's sea urchins like everywhere.
Really?
Look at what are all those right there?
Those are sea urchins. Look at there's little fishies in there. What do you got?
Check it out. We get some good finds.
Look at my baby crab.
Oh.
He's a skeleton. And this is my daddy crab, but he's dead too. Look at these hermit crabs too.
Just look at that.
Would you just look at it?
Look at that. Would you look at
Oh my gosh, these too.
Holy
These
cow.
make good bracelets.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So many little crabs. Just got done at Mermaid Ponds. It was another beautiful one. Now I'm walking back to the van alone. The other guys already left. They didn't want to walk in the dark. And now I'm walking in the dark and it's kind of scary. I wish I wouldn't have. And make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's getting kind of freaky in this little tunnel going through the woods, the jungle. I keep hearing little crackles all around me. Something's watching me. Got the chills down my spine. Really spooky. I don't know. What was that? I don't know. Another half mile to go. There's something freaky in these woods. I got chills on my whole body. I keep hearing something big walking through the woods or walking through the jungle. Oh my gosh, is that a road? Yes. I've never been more relieved in my life. I thought for sure something was gonna get me. These pigs out here. There's these pigs that I swear they'll eat humans, but everybody says they're more scared of you than you are of them, but I don't know, I'm pretty scared of these pigs. There's the van. How's everybody doing?
Yo, yo, yo.
Howdy.
Cleaning up some cups on my feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gets freaky down in there.
Yeah, it does.
Scary.